Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 not launching. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Now make sure to install all the updates that you can find and go back and then go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers. Check for updates, make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card and then go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling and then restart your computer, and after that close all the applications that you don't need, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.